They didn't.
We're into the elf season.
Is it boiled? I was wondering if it was
What's
boiled.
the first elf season quote?
I don't think that's
Let's do some magic. Sprinkle the egg. Interesting.
I think you just gotta sprinkle the egg.
Good morning.
Okay.
Oh yeah, very magical.
You want to sprinkle some eggs? You sprinkle it?
Sprinkle eggs. Got a little update on the venue. Got these pews a couple days ago. Had to remove the cushions, move the front molding down. Painting them up right now. That's what they look like before. This one's partially painted, but going black. Probably paint the ends white. Try to remove some of these chairs in here. Get all pews. And yep, that's the project right now. Got a new excavator coming, John Deere 350G. With the truckers having a hard time. Had a blowout, mess up his rear end, got in a wreck. Supposed to be delivered 2 days ago, but he's working on it. Hopefully get it today. But got a couple weddings this weekend, so trying to get this done. Get these out of the way. Reese and Corbin are gonna race bear crawl. Bear crawl, yep. Bear crawl, come on.
Get down, Corbin.
You ready? Get down. Get down.
1, 2, 3,
Go. Get up, go, go. Get up, go. Oh man, he crashed. Got Santa pics today.
Let's do. You want me to do individual?
If he does it.
Y'all look here. Big smile. Big
What you want for Christmas?
Go ahead, you gonna sit? He says,
Oh, is that what you said?
There.
oh,
There you go. There you go. Let's get your shirt down.
All right. Big smile. Big smile. Cheese.
What you said you wanted, Reese?
Look at Santa's nose
Goblin.
again.
What you said you wanted?
Action figures.
What?
Just action figures.
Standing up.
What Corbin said he wanted?
Specific.
Spider-Man, Green Goblin. But he keeps telling me he wants boo presents.
Are you embarrassed?
There you go, big boy.
Hey.
Good job. All right.
There you go.
Has arrived. About to offload. Corbin, what daddy got? What daddy got?
Big.
Big?
Yeah.
Bradley's excited. Daddy's happy.
Well, it started. Pretty quiet. Probably gonna swing this way. I had to go. It's off the trailer. First time.
baby? Can you drive with all of them? Close the door. I can't close. There it goes on the land. Go, dig a hole, dig a hole. You gonna dig one? He's not. He's playing.
I'm gonna tell him to go back there and go in my truck and follow him.
Daddy's first dig in his new excavator.
Candace is digging. It could be a hole to nowhere, but she's gonna try it. Oh no, I think she's putting it in the wrong place. Probably gonna have to move it. No, just kidding. Hannah's got skills. Some trees. Happy birthday to you.
Yep. Hi, Riri. What you say, Corbin?
Happy birthday to you.
You said happy birthday, Daddy. You think it's Daddy's birthday because he got an excavator? Yeah. Go, Riri! Curl it! Go! That's a big load! He's about to hit the ground. There you go. There you go. throwing it. There we go. There we go. Now y'all love each other just for a little while today. All right, ready?
Cheese,
Big
Bubba.
smile. You better smile. Oh, that's so handsome.
Stop moving, man.
We had family picnic day with Roman.
Ruby comes later.
Reese comes at 12. It's 10:30 right now.
Sure. I don't get a piece.
Now Reese is here. Say hey, Reese.
I'll tell you another one. I know what Miss Lindsay needs to eat. You see Mom?
Robinson Ranch
Oh
Apparel.
my gosh, Tia, look what I did.
Unbelievable.
Well, that's on top. It'll be okay. Because it's going to come off with
First
the
shirt.
plastic.
That's the first shirt?
Messing it up on the
messed
first
it up
one.
already. It like totally pressed it on there.
That's fine.
That's why I had to get double paper.
Do a minimum.
Yeah.
There it is.
That looks so good.
That was the front. What do you say?
So tonight we're working on hats, Robinson Ranch Company hats.